Hi friends, how are you? Today we are going to make a highest energy drink. This drink is a medicine for you if you are weak, your legs keep tired, you have backbone problems, all the problem associated with weakness. To make this drink, first of all, we need half liter milk. After it, we will take 3 dates. Now the dates will be mixed into milk. Now we will drop 7 almond kernel in the milk. After it, we will mix 1 spoon of psyllium husk in the milk. After it, we will mix 1 spoon of basil seeds in the milk. Now take 1 spoon of pure honey and drop it into the milk. This is going to be sweetest. Now the highest energy drink is ready for you. Use this drink 2 times in a day, and after 3 days you will achieve a remarkable results. Like the video and subscribe the channel.